Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you pair the left and right earbuds to two devices simultaneously? And you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. You need to pair both of them with one device. But if you enable dual connection, you can connect two devices to your headphones simultaneously. And you can listen to music with one earphone. You can put your earbud to the charging case or remove only one from the case, then close the case and use the second one. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and as you can see, I still have connection with these earbuds, but I use only one. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.